light in the sky. Gentle wings of morning air, whispers dancing everywhere. Shadows fade, the night is gone. Here begins the sacred song. Awakening Aurora shining bright. Sing like birds at the edge of light. Every breath a gentle flame, calling softly, whispering your name. Golden streams through silent trees, carried on the ocean breeze. Every sound a tender start, echoes deep within my heart. Awakening Aurora shining bright. Sing like birds at the edge of light. Every breath a gentle flame, calling softly, whispering your name. The world is waking, skies are clear. The dawn is calling, drawing near. Awakening Aurora skies. Hope is born where the sun